Ta-da! Yay! Oh my god! Finally it's here. That one, guys. Just the packaging itself. Pinkzio, power in your beauty. See that? Here's the item, guys. Here. So here you go, guys. This is the item here. See that? This is the popular Sapphire freezing IPL hair removal. OMG, look at that. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay guys, let's plug this device guys, and then next thing you know, we're gonna use this. Okay, we'll see ya. Before we start to use this device, make sure we're gonna wear the goggles guys, or the shades, because it's gonna harm our eyes. Okay, you notice the flashing lights guys, that's the IPL treatment for hair removal. So you can set that one automatically or manually, so it's really up to you. So in this first session guys, I rather choose automatic setting for the IPL flashing lights, so it's easy and convenient. Alright, also before using this IPL hair removal guys, you need to shave your hair first. FYI also guys, this is my first time using IPL hair removal. As you can see, I don't have a lot of hair, but of course we do have a bunch of hair in our armpit and the private area. But in this device guys, the company gave us the precautions that you are not allowed to use in your private area. But guess what guys, I use it, but hey, I will not gonna show it to you guys. Why I am curious using this device to my private area guys, because it's painless and also there's a freezing feeling. Okay, so hey, it's painless and it's not painful, so why not to try? So we'll see guys. You can use this device guys for 4 to 8 weeks. From there, we'll see if you need more, and you can use continuously. Okay, but then again, as I've said, I use this device in my private area. Even the company doesn't allow you to do so. Well, it's my discretion, so we'll see. I am tired of using the razor, so that's why I just choose the level 2 in my private area, so in that way it's just minimal sensation, and I did not feel anything. It's just like flashing of lights and then freezing feeling. Okay, so next that I am using this device guys is my armpit. After these legs, I'm gonna be showing my armpit with you all. Okay, all right, just be patient, we'll go there. Okay. Love you all. Alright, we're almost there. Next in line is my armpit. It's here you go guys. Alright, so I leave you here and just enjoy the show. As I've mentioned earlier guys, you need to use this device for at least 4 to 8 weeks. In short, 1 to 2 months. But if you want to use continuously, guys, then you can. So it's really up to you. So if you need to use it regularly, then I think it's okay. But why you will gonna use it if you don't have any hair at all, right? So it's just a common sense. But anyhow, the required sessions is at least 4 to 8 weeks. To wrap this up, this device is Sapphire Freezing IPL hair removal, and you need to use this for at least 4 to 8 weeks. But before using this device, you need to shave first, okay? Again, thank you for watching. But before I'm gonna go, guys, I will gonna give you an update maybe after 8 weeks. We'll see, guys. Okay, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna give you another video for my personal feedback, and we'll see if this device is really an awesome device. Again, thank you so much. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.